Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of WhatsApp. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about WhatsApp and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment. Then you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. Then you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again on the application of Wise to fix the application of Wise. So please don't forget to support us by liking.